Fine. For the challenge number 12, you need to create an app to count the number of steps, to count your steps. Yes, and for this we use this sensor, the pedometer. Yes, it's this. With this you can count the number of steps. And actually the counting is performed by checking the GPS position. So when you use this sensor, be sure that you have the GPS signal, you have the cell phone signal. In the demonstration, I walk inside of my apartment, and unfortunately, as I go deeper in my apartment, I lost the connection with the cell phone signal. So even when I was walking, the counter stop increasing. So you can, if you want to use this, you can try in the outdoors. If you try in indoors, be sure that the signal is not lost. So I have a label to display the number of steps, and I have a button to start the counting, and that's it. That's all my graphic user interface. And in the blog section, I have the instruction. When I click the button, I want to start the pedometer to counting. Yes, remember, you should start and stop all the sensors, because if you don't stop it, the sensors keep working and you drain your battery energy. Yes, and so this following instruction is what to do when the pedometer detects that you are walking. And this is this. You see, there is also some instructions for when you have the GPS signal and when you lost the GPS signal. So I could have used this to prevent the counting to stop in my demonstration. But also I wanted to show you that you need to be careful, because if you lost the GPS signal, of course you won't be able to count the steps. So okay, so when the pedometer sensor detects that you are moving, it is going to change the text in the label number 1, and it is going to display the pedometer, a variable called walk steps. And this you can get it from here. You see, walk steps. You can read it from here, and also you can get it from here. It's exactly the same. So it's up to you. This is the variable that is provided by this instruction, and also with this you access to the info, and you don't store this info into a variable. So both of them has the same information. So you can use any of them, and then you can check how this works